Hi, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Kambu Kool. So let's see about how to make it. And this is a called as Kambu. So I used to broke it. And before that rinse well. Then drain water completely and dry for few minutes. Then add it to mix jar and also grind it to a core mixture. Measure and add the flour and add water accordingly. Cook and mix well without any lumps and transfer to boil water pan. And if you want more water you can add with this. Then cook in low medium flame for 5 minutes. Keep stirring till it becomes thick enough to roll into a ball and well cook to become thickness and mix well without any lumps. Then if you well cook it will be thickness and keep mixing with a ladle to break lumps and it will thicken. Take at least 15 minutes. So that's why we will mix very well. Actually Kambu Kool is healthy porridge and also its own kind of millets and it's a healthy breakfast and a natural body coolant also. And it realized with raw onion, pickle, more milagai and puppet as a meal. And it promotes blood cell development, good for diabetes. Also it helps to good sleep and reduce weight loss and cool down the body. So if it is quick stir and thickness, switch off the stove and cool down completely. Then allow it to rest for overnight in room temperature or just a few hours is also enough. After preservation you can see like that. So after that it was a bit thick and creamy. So mix well and take separately in another bowl. Then mix buttermilk and salt and adjust with water. If you more content you can add some water and add salt also onion. Then mix with porridge. Kambu Kool is called as porridge in English language. So mix well with added onion, green chilies, and if you want take some vegetables like coriander leaf, small onions, and more molaga like that you can add with boiled rice water. When I add salt and buttermilk, I used my hands to take without lumps. And while taking buttermilk, it was a bit thick and creamy. Mix well and serve chilled. So, so finally you can see like that and served with spicy dishes like a meal maker like that. So this is my variety of dishes to take Kambu Kool. Thank you.